Benoit, what do investors have to look forward to for 2023 and 2024 with Aya?
Well, I'll give you our catalyst, our values, what we're really our strategic plan for 2023. I think, and these are all part of our KPIs, management KPIs, how we're being remunerated. And the first element is health and safety, because that is part of our ESG philosophy. So we will continue to operate focusing on health and safety. We had a perfect quarter in Q1. We'd like to maintain that throughout the year. That is extremely important. So we focus on cost efficiencies and health and safeties. Now, on what's coming, well, the key milestone is the construction of the new Zgounder facility that will take our capacity to 2,700 tons per day, or take us to an 8 million ounces of yearly production. So that is ongoing. You saw there were two videos, one in April and one in May, that were released, which are beautiful videos with drone shots showing you the construction site. And we'll have one of those every month, so you'll be able to follow the construction on a monthly basis. So that's going very well. In Q1, we started the construction of the tailings facility. It's going very, very well. In Q2, now we have almost finished detail engineering, and we've started the open pit operation. I saw the open pit blast this week, the first blast ever. We saw that, so that's really ongoing. And we expect in Q3 to have the ball mill delivered on site, and completion of water storage, the water basins, bulk and civil work, and also so the ball mill and the crushing as well, equipment will be delivered in Q3. This is very, very important, because these are the two critical elements that need to be there, and that's coming, as well as the power line. The power line is this new power line with green energy. This is also coming to site on time currently, and we're building 320 pylons. So this is proceeding very, very well. Now, on the drilling front, as a company, we're almost 100,000 meters of drilling this year. So there's 32,700 meters of drilling at Zgounder and Zgounder Regional. This is ongoing. We have 6 drills turning, and we want to complete the drilling on the main zone at Zgounder and do as much drilling as possible on Zgounder Regional. And also the drilling on Boumadine. Boumadine being our second project, the one that has tremendous upside, which will most likely end up being much bigger than Zgounder over time. And we have 36,000 meters of exploration drilling being done now. We have 5 drills turning. We're almost done. The project will be done, I would say, by the end of June. We will have the 36,000 meters done. We'll do a review and interpretation, and then we'll come back with an additional program, as we have done the analysis and the interpretation. So that is going extremely well. And we have a small project in Mauritania called Tijirit. We're completing 25,000 meters of drilling, and there we'll have feasibility done by the summer, and then we'll make a decision on going forward. So it's a very busy year. We have given guidance on production to be between 1.8 and 1.9 million ounces. And so far after Q1, we are on guidance, and on cost curve cost guidance as well. We said we would be around $14 of cash costs and about 14.9 of AISC, all in sustaining costs. And we're there. Q1 we were there, and costs are going to be coming down because Q1 is the more expensive quarter, Q2 is easier, and so on and so forth. So it's going extremely well. And the last milestone for us on 2023 is to start drawing on the ESG debt facility, and we're almost there. We will probably start drawing in June, and then on a monthly basis. And we need to follow the ESG guidelines that are part of our loan facility, and that's going extremely well. I would say we are 60% done on the guidelines that we need to meet this year, and we will meet those guidelines by the end of 2023.